Welcome to How to Solve. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you ways to speed up your slow iPhone. So first is background refresh. So background app refresh is a feature available that allows apps to update their content and data in the background, even when you are not actively using them. And next is to clear up storage space. Review your photos or messages that you don't need anymore. Third is to turn off location services. Then fourth is to remove unnecessary widgets on your lock screen and on your home screen. And then fifth is to close all apps on your phone. So simply swipe up to your home screen and clear all apps to your phone. Then check your battery health. If your battery health is in service, replace your battery, as this may be a reason why your phone is running slow. Next is to simply restart your phone. Restarting your phone clears the memory and starts with a fresh slate, which can improve performance. Next is to clear history on your Safari. And if your phone is consistently running slow or experiences other issues, it's worth considering seeking technical support. And lastly, if your current phone is still experiencing hardware issues, it may be a good time to consider getting a new phone. Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.